You should have said by now. Maybe you won. That's Alyssa again.
Mom, your phone doesn't double.
Stop it. Give me my phone.
Dad
And for those of you who couldn't tell, he won. Oh my God! I want to hear speech. I want to hear your speech. Better thank me. Me too.
Oh my God.
I'm a big part of this.
Oh my God.
You're hyperventilating.
I am hyperventilating.